Alright guys, welcome. Yola is my name again. Thanks for joining me. So today we will be walking through how to build an e-commerce website. This is a project that is close to my heart. It's for an e-commerce brand here in Lagos, and they need a website. They already had one but needed an upgrade, and so here we are doing it. So you're following live and you're going to see exactly what we're going to deliver for them. Right here on your screen, you will see the website of Market Square. It's a uh, popular supermarket here in Lagos, right? They might be in other parts of the country. I really don't know. But yeah, so this is their website. Pretty basic, straight, direct. I love it actually. It looks really good. So basically, what we're going to do, especially if you get a web design job, you want to see what other people in the market are doing, and that's why we're going through this. So this is the home page for Market Square, and right here is the home page for ShopRite. Really busy, and I'm not sure what to look out for. So um, yeah, there's a lot of details here, and really not sure what they want me to do. uh, and it's not the best design. So that said, let's get into what we have. So as usual, you know what we need. We're going to need access to a cPanel, right? Or okay, that's my autocorrect cPanel or your server. And then we're going to need to install WordPress, and then we're going to need to install our theme. Okay, theme, and then plugins. Then we'll get right into customizing. Customizing. Right, so when we talk about customizing, we're basically looking at the home page. Sorry guys, home page, right? We're looking at the home page, we're looking at the about us page, we're looking at the contact page, and yeah, those are basically it. But since this is an e-commerce website, we'll do other things, right? So we're going to talk about receiving payments online. Yeah, we're going to talk about um, customer service, and basically we'll be implementing a live chat plugin, live chat plugin, right? We'll do that. We would work on a couple of things as they come up. I would note them down because they're quite vital, especially for an e-commerce website. That said, let's get into it. We already have a server here. I believe the username to this should be something like, all right, and the password. Thought I had that on auto save. Let's see. Okay, that's wrong, so I'll just pull it. Okay, so yeah, I got it now. And all right, so we're logged in. This is our server, idealsupermarketng.com, and you know what we do. So I'm just going to go right down to the bottom and click on WordPress, because we'll be working with WordPress today. It's the process today that we're teaching you to escape coding. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, guys. So in this case, we want our WordPress to be installed in the main directory, which is idealsupermarketng.com. So we're going to wipe whatever is here, and we'll leave everything as it is. And this is a live site, so we'll do stuff right. I'll copy that and paste, and let's use a good password now. Okay. Okay, it's good enough. All right, we'll leave the rest as it is and install. Okay, so we're done installing. Now I'm going to click here, so we go into our website. This is a basic installation. Okay, so this is a dashboard. of our new website we just created. If I click on this, opening a new tab, this is the very basic stuff that we've installed. This is WordPress, guys. Okay, in its barest form. Back here is our dashboard, and you know what we're going to do next? We're going to go back to our cPanel, and we're going to upload our theme. So we're going to the file manager real quick, and I would navigate to the public underscore HTML. Now we can delete this CGI underscore bin. I don't know what it does. And go to the WP content, themes, and here we already have 3 themes. You know how we do it, guys. I'm going to upload, and okay, so basically I come in here. I already have a theme open, so I'll drag it into the server, and let's give that time to upload. Alright guys, fully uploaded, and so I'm just gonna come back here, and I will unzip this, right click and extract. It's going to unzip, so I can delete this now, right? So I'll just delete that, reload, be sure that it's there. So there we go, use the theme. I'll go back to our dashboard, and on appearance I'll come to themes. Once that opens up, our new theme which we uploaded should be somewhere around, there it is, Yosi. So I would click on activate right now, and it's going to come up with these the required plugins that are needed to make the theme function properly. I would click here to select all of them, right, and install. Then I'll click on apply. So what this is going to do is that it's going to download the required plugins for the theme from the theme server. Most of them are bundled into the theme files already. Okay guys, it's been a while, not seeing anything happen here, so I'm just gonna refresh. I believe this is network okay, so there's still some remaining to install, so click on that again, and let's see how this plays out. It's rolling. For some reasons it's still doing the same things, so I'll refresh again, and hopefully it has finished installing everything this time around. So let's see that load up. Okay, we still have a few to go. I would do it again. Sorry guys, I'm having poor network here. Okay, so there you go, all done now, and we'll go back to the required plugin installer, and we would have to activate all of the plugins that we just installed. So we'll do this. Alright, all done. No plugins remaining to be activated or installed. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard while I would open our website in a new link, and let's see what is currently there. So that's our website opening up right now. Okay, so that's it. It has opened, and nothing much to it yet, until of course we come back here to our dashboard and we import demo content. So let's look for where that is. Remember the last time, okay, not the last time, in there was another video we did where I mentioned most themes have their demo content hidden somewhere here in appearance, others have it hidden in the settings, others have it hidden in the tools. For some of them it's in the theme options, but in this case right now it's right here in tools, right? So Apple's demo import, we're going to import our website demo content, and this whole website you see like this is going to have a whole new look, because well, that's the point of having demo content to import, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have gone through the demo content for all of them, and I think I prefer the one of number 5. So I'll go ahead and import that one while we wait. This shouldn't take long, so shortly. Okay guys, so there it is. Importing is successful, and it shows us a small message here. You can go to the settings, readings to change your home page. Let us first of all see what our website looks like. So I'm going to refresh this and let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's still loading, and this is just cool, guys. What do you think about this? This is cool. We've transformed our website from a regular WordPress um, landing page into this fantastic stuff. And yeah, that is cool, guys. This is really cool. And let us see. So we've got our menu bar up here. This is a top bar section. We're going to customize all of these. And okay, so that's the cart. This is for products you add to your favorite or your wish list. And your page is basically up here. This is a slider. We're going to change that into something more specific to what the supermarket needs. And we've got major collections here. We're going to make this more like what a supermarket needs. So we're going to change all of those. And we have some selected or featured products up here, broken down into categories. So you have stuff for men, kids, women, and accessories, of course. Notice how when you hover your mouse over the item, it changes into another image. That's really cool, guys. And these also, uh, so you have featured products up down here as well, and a nice place, just holding relevant information, and then the footer of the website. So this is great, guys. Um, this is almost all of the work done. So what we're going to jump into right now, because okay, so let me make this a little bit bolder so you can see it properly. Okay, great. So we've progressed from cPanel or server to WordPress to themes and plugins. So we've basically done all of those. So we're going to jump into customizing our homepage right now. And so what are we going to customize on the homepage? I would quickly run through creating how to work on this slider. So for the homepage, we're going to start with customizing the slider, the logo as well. Okay, so let me just write those down so uh, it's easier to run through. So we're going to say logo, right? Then slider, right? Then we're going to work on the write-ups because I saw some write-ups that are not quite accurate, like this one. It said fishers instead of fissured, should end with a D, right? So that's something else we're going to work on. So we're going to say write-up, right? And then images. Basically, these images right here do not tell the story of the supermarket that we're building this for, right? So we're going to change this into something more specific that the supermarket needs. After that, we would work on, okay, so what's next? We would then come down to the products, right? We're going to change all of these products because the supermarket, of course, doesn't have these. We'll work on changing the currency into Nigerian Naira, right? Okay, what else? Let's run through and we'll build as we go, right? So we'll work on the widgets. Basically, these are the widgets at the bottom of the website. We'll work on the widgets. So let's write that down. We'll work on widgets. From there, we'll proceed into how to receive payments. Uh, Basically, that should come under WooCommerce. So work on how to receive payments, and then we will work on the live chat, right? Because you need to provide support. After that, we'll work on the menus, menus or pages, right? And that also include it's right from changing all of these menu items to editing the content on the pages. We're going to work on all of those. It's pretty much it, I believe. We don't have much issues with the colors that the website has. I think it's fantastic. It's a great website. It's great work done already. So we're just going to jump into, yeah, also the categories. We'll work on the categories of the products. That should come under here, products and categories. Yeah, we'll work on those as well, to be more specific with the requirements of the supermarket. I think when we're done with all of this, we're going to, let me move this one downwards. The major reason is we would have to delete the products that are here right now and upload those of the supermarkets. Most of those content is not readily available, and I don't want the website to be bare, so I would leave that one at the bottom. So as we make changes, we can go ahead and see everything as it turns out. So now that we have our roadmap sorted, let's get into customizing the homepage. Um, Basically our logo first, right? Yeah, so let's work on the logo. All right, guys, so let's start with the logo. I'm back here in the WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to go to the theme options. Just click on the theme options. I'm sure you can change the logo from there. Coming back to the website, remember we want to replace the logo right now, and we want the logo to have this exact size that came with the demo content. So I'm going to right click on it and click on copy. I'll fire up my Photoshop, and while that is opening, I'll come back here. All right,